This is how to treat AirTM dollar transfer to RedotPay. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to fund your Redot dollar card account using AirTM platform. You see, AirTM platform is one of the best payment gateway that can make life easy for you. Let me show you. This is AirTM, where you can easily do dollar transfer to your RedotPay card account. For you to do AirTM dollar transfer to RedotPay, you have to put money in your wallet on AirTM. This is your wallet. This is where you are going to see the amount you have inside AirTM. For instance, you can see this is what I currently have inside my AirTM account. So, how do you fund and deposit money in your AirTM? To deposit money, you click add. This add. There are over 500 ways you can deposit money inside the AirTM. You click search payment method. You can deposit money from your bank account in any country. You can deposit cash to AirTM. You can deposit money from crypto to this platform. You can use your debit card to fund and deposit money inside the AirTM. You can use your e-wallet. We have different and multiple e-wallets you can use. You can use gift cards to deposit money to AirTM. The good thing about this is that I've done multiple videos on various ways you can deposit money on AirTM. Just come on YouTube, search AirTM playlist by Ask JOFA. So all you need to do is to search for any of your choice of videos and follow step by step on how to use it to fund your AirTM account. So that is how you fund and put money on your AirTM. We now assume that there is money on your AirTM account. So how do you deposit dollars to your RedotPay card account from anywhere in the world, including Nigeria? There are multiple ways to do this, but I'll be taking you through the fastest way to deposit dollars from AirTM to your RedotPay card account from anywhere in the world. To do that, you click withdraw. Why withdraw? Because you want to remove money from here to your RedotPay card account. You click search payment method. When you get here, you type RedotPay. Your search will bring out RedotPay, so you click RedotPay. This dollar transfer from AirTM to RedotPay will take 4 stages. This is stage 1, 2, 3, 4, and the transaction will be completed. The minimum amount of dollars you can transfer from AirTM to RedotPay is $5. That is 4.9. You type the exact amount you want to see inside your RedotPay. You can see you will send from your AirTM account $20.51. This is the fee that will be charged on this platform, and you will get $20 on your RedotPay account. So the total amount that will be debited from this your wallet is $20.51. So you click continue. We've concluded stage 1. Which payment method account do you want to use? At this stage, you are expected to give the payment method, that is the RedotPay account you want to transfer to. You can transfer to your RedotPay dollar account, or you help somebody to fund their RedotPay account while you earn commission. You have to add the payment method. That is, you have to add the person's details here, or your details if it is your personal RedotPay dollar card account. To do that, you click here. This is where you configure the payment method. If it is your RedotPay dollar card account, this is where you put your RedotPay ID. If it is a third party, you switch this button. You click third party. Would you like to save this recipient? If you want to save it, you tick this to save the third party. Then you fill this detail and put the person's email address, that is RedotPay email address, first name, last name, RedotPay ID. How do you get the RedotPay ID? You go to your RedotPay app. Let me show you. You can see this is my RedotPay app. This is my RedotPay account. To get your RedotPay ID, you come to this place. You click this. This is your profile picture. You can see this is my email address and this is my RedotPay ID. All you need to do is to what? To tap it and copy it. Or if it is a third party RedotPay ID, the person will copy and send to you. As soon as you get the RedotPay ID, you input the ID in this place. If the RedotPay card is your personal RedotPay, you disable this, you fill this, and input your RedotPay ID. As soon as you configure the payment method, all you need to do is to click submit request. You follow the step-by-step process. It's so simple and seamless, and you get the money on your RedotPay dollar card account instantly. It is as simple as that. You now know how to do AirTM to RedotPay transfer. All you need to do is to use those links below the description of this video to sign up to AirTM, and you are going to get $3 free sign-up bonus. That is aside the RedotPay $5 sign-up bonus. All you need to do to fund your RedotPay account is to first transfer funds from your local bank account to your AirTM. This is why you need to watch the next video. It's going to walk you through step by step of how to use AirTM to your advantage from anywhere in the world. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.